welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Amanda, and today we are going to be doing a Frozen inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer and just patting that all over the lid and just blending that out with a beauty blender. And the same thing on the other side here. So today we're using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and I'm taking Undertaker on a small blending brush and just in circular motions applying that to my outer corner. I'm going to build the intensity on this and really restrict the color to the outer corner because I want it to be more of a gradient once we finish putting on the other colors for the eye. Next, I'm taking Blue Blood on that same brush. I've just given it a quick clean off, and I am applying that in circular motions to really soften up that Undertaker that we applied, and just continuing to build intensity and really softening and making this nice and hazy. Next, I'm taking I'm Cold on a fluffy blending brush and really softening all the edges out of the eye. I'm also bringing this into the crease just a little bit, but not too much. And then just going back in and adding a little bit more intensity in that Undertaker. Next, taking Blue Blood, I am applying that to the center of the lid before applying my final shadow, just so that it is more of that gradient, and blending that out with a blending brush. Next, I'm taking Colonit and applying that to the inner third of my eye, as well as my tear duct. Next, using my ring finger, I'm applying Private Oasis from the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. This shadow has a really beautiful blue duochrome to it, so as you turn your head, you really see the glitter and the sheen that it adds to your eyeshadow. It's so pretty. Then on a detail brush, I am taking Undertaker and applying that to the lower lash line. And then on a smudger brush, taking Blue Blood to really blend out Undertaker. So then I just did my other eye off camera here. Next, I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Volume Mascara. And then onto the lower lashes as well. And then just finishing this look off with my Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Medusa. Alright everyone, so this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to be part of our little family here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Products are listed in the description box below for you as always. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had a really fun time creating it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!